$300 best gaming PC in 2023. In this video, I will show you the best PC components that will give you the ultimate performance while gaming for less than $300. Let's get started. So for the processor, our pick is AMD Ryzen 5 5600G. This one cost only $121. And reason for choosing this processor is, as you can see, it has excellent reviews on Amazon, and also this budget processor has excellent performance while gaming, as this processor comes with a very powerful integrated Radeon Vega 7 graphics. This will allow you to play esports games at 1080p resolution with medium settings with more than 40 to 50 plus FPS, which is excellent performance without a dedicated graphics card. Then for motherboard, our pick is Asus Prime B450M. This one cost only $79. Now this is the cheapest B450M motherboard that you can buy, but just because it is the cheapest one doesn't mean it has less performance. It comes with an excellent spec, like you are going to get 4 RAM slot, PCIe Gen 3 NVMe SSD support, small heatsink over the VRM section, all the ports that you need. And as this is a B450 series motherboard, you can also overclock this processor, so it's an excellent budget motherboard in this price. Then for RAM, our pick is Corsair Vengeance LPX 16GB. Now these are one of the most cheapest DDR4 RAM that you can buy. Now those 16GB comes with 2 sticks, so each of them are 8GB, so in total there will be 16GB. And these RAMs also have excellent reviews on Amazon, so altogether these RAMs will perform excellent with this build. Then for the storage, our pick is Crucial P3 Plus 500GB. This one costs around $26. Now for under $30, you are going to get an SSD with up to 5000 Mbps read-ready speed. Now keep that in mind, our system doesn't support Zen 4, so you will be running this SSD into Zen 3 mode, but still you will get excellent performance out of this. And for only $26, it's an excellent deal. And finally for the power supply, our pick is Thermaltake Smart 430W power supply. This one costs only $32. It comes with 5-year plus warranty, and also it has 80 plus certification. And finally for the casing, it's completely up to you, buy whichever you like. And all those components will cost you less than $300, and also will give you the best gaming performance that you can extract from a 300 build. Thanks for watching.